Hello friends and welcome to this video. My name is Shahab. In this video I want to speak about the second step of adding new entity. In continuation of the previous video, we need to create a DTO for the student entity. For this purpose, inside the models layer and inside the entities DTO, I need to create a new folder under name of school. And now a new class under name of student DTO. For the fields, we can copy the fields from the student entity. The student DTO needs to inherit from the base entity DTO. For understanding that how to do, you can always take a look at the sample model. For example, here accounting module and class of app user DTO. Here you can see app user DTO is inherited from the base entity DTO. Well, I'll do the same. Here, because the primary key for the student entity was an integer, we need to assign the type of integer here. But by default, the type of the primary key is an integer, and it is not necessary to write it here. Well, beside that, if you take a look again at the app user DTO here as a sample, you can see it is inherited from IMapFrom. I will do the same again. And I need just put here the student. And its usings. You have easily mapped from student to student DTO. Now we can add more fields. For example, full name field. Usually fields of the DTO are more than the entities field. DTO can be more complicated. For that situation, the AUA suggests to use from I have custom mappings. I will speak about that in its part. Well, this was the second step of adding a new entity. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.